My greetings to all. Myself Naveen Samraj from Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli district. I have a great passion and desire to become an IAF and IAF flying officer to start my career. And I not only just a plan, I need some guidance, proper guidance and motivation to take me to achieve my goals. So I need search for some other academies, and once my board exam was finished, I searched some website and eventually I got Centurion Defence Academy, and I saw some classes in online and motivation classes. That is pretty good, and I thought that Centurion is suit for me. Once I came here, Centurion Defence Academy, I have proved that my thought is not right, you are right. The study materials which are given by the Centurion Defence Academy have great notes and a complete guidance to analyze the chapter. They have conducted lots of tests to elaborate our studies, and they have taught more short tricks in mathematics and complete guide for other subjects in GIT questions. The environment around the Centurion Academy is pretty good, and the hostel faculty is really awesome, because I came from South India and I really like the hostel faculty and foods which are provided by the Centurion Defence Academy. And the conclusion, I assure that the aspirants who are preparing for Defence Academy, I assure that Centurion Defence Academy is the best to bring themselves.
I'm Arathi. I'm from Kerala, Kasaragod. In my life, I wanted to do something which is special, which others really don't do. In my area, especially, people think that defense is not for girls, it's only for boys, and they don't want their child to do anything in defense, or they're not interested in defense actually. But my parents want me to do something great, so I decided to join NDA, and for that I want a best institute for my progress and for my studies and all. I want a best institute. That's how I came to know about Centurion, and I searched about Centurion at various sites, and I came to know that they are planning, the classes are going on with a proper strategies, and they have a proper plan for all the classes. And right after my 12th, I came to Centurion and joined, and the classes were super good, and I really wanted to say that the strategies that they are following was really effective for me. And now the NDA is almost nearby 1 month. We have only 1 month, and they have their own ways to which, like for me, I have a really difficulty in maths. So the sir provide me with different new methods and tricks which makes my maths more easier to do. And also the hostel facilities here, as a girl I can say that we want to look about the safety measures, everything. And I can say that here it is super safe, and the mess facilities are also super good. And the study materials provided from here are also clear and proper. And I have to say about the weekly test that is held here, which gives me about the rank and position in the class, and also it gives me a detailed analysis about my rank in the class, and also I can point out the parts where I have to improve myself, and that helps me to develop from my bottom to up. And I recommend every people to come to Centurion, because it's such a great institution if you have a dream to become an officer. It's such a great institution. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm Shreyash Rai, a student of class 11th aspiring to join the National Defence Academy NDA 2023. As I belong from a defence background, my father, Junior Warrant Officer Sanjay Rai, is currently posted in Falodi near Rajasthan, and for that I have decided to join the Centurion Defence Academy when I was in my 6th grade, and now I'm in 11th. So I have decided to choose the Centurion Defence Academy, which is the most award-gaining and results-producing academy in the country. Talking about the written examination part, Centurion has a great involvement in it. Equipped with experienced teachers and great mentorship, they ensure that we are moving in a right direction. They also used to conduct weekly mock tests, which makes us familiar with the examination pattern before approaching the exam. And talking about the SSB part, as we all know that Service Selection Board makes a crucial role in the selection process, Centurion Defence Academy has also a great involvement in it. The army officers, or we can say the retired army officers of Indian Armed Forces, ensures that we are moving in our right hand by improving our personality day by day. And for that, Centurion Defence Academy also used to conduct weekly mock tests or we can say weekly interviews and weekly sessions of SSB, which makes us familiar even more with the process. So, and as we all know that distraction is always a major problem with every aspirant, not just the NDA but any aspirant as well, if you're talking about the JE or the NEET. So for that, it doesn't matter in Centurion, because in Centurion we have our mentor Shishir Dikshit sir, which used to motivate us in our offline sessions and in our online sessions as well. So if you are aspiring to join the Indian Army, Indian Navy or Indian Air Force, the Centurion Defence Academy is your first step towards your uniform. Thank you.